So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine again with a brand new video, and today the video is all about how you can do your eyebrows at home without going to the parlor, without going to the salon, and you don't have to spend money on that because you can do it on your own. As you see here, if you want to get this perfect eyebrows, so keep watching. So as you see, I haven't done my eyebrows, so for this thing you would need an eyebrow pencil. So you can use any color pencil because this is just for your directions, so that you know how you're going to do your eyebrows. And this is a thing which you can get anywhere very easily these days. You can buy it on eBay as well or Amazon. I bought it from local Watsons or Sasa. You can get it anywhere. So this is something like this, as you see here. So this looks something like this. It has a sharp blade in the front so that you can take away all the hair, but then be very careful with this. It's very sharp, it can harm you, so you need to be really careful while doing this. Okay, so let's get on doing. Okay, so let's start.
So as you see here, I'm drawing an outline, and this will act as a guideline to my eyebrows now, so that I'm not going ahead and taking out any extra hairs out of this line. So you see here, I'm just drawing to the desired shape that I want today for my eyebrows. And also continuing the same line on the top part of my eyebrows. And today I'm using the MAC eyebrow pencil here. This is very light in color. You can use any shade which is visible to you. And now I'm starting off from the top part of my eyebrows. You can see very slowly I'm doing this, and for the first time you should really be careful. You can harm yourself with this because it's really sharp. And then slowly I'm going on towards the end of my eyebrows where I need to keep it really thin. And now for the bottom part, I'm slowly gonna take out all the hairs outside the line which I drew already, so that to get whatever shape I need. And here I'm doing an angle shape because I like my eyebrows to be in an angular shape. So here it is. So now I'm cleaning the extras here. That is from my center of the eyebrows and all that, so that it looks really neat and clean.
So friends, now you can see the end result. They look amazing, as if I've been to a salon to do my eyebrows. But then yes, the truth is, in Singapore I never go to the parlors to do my eyebrows. It's only in India. When I go to India, I go to the parlor to get my eyebrows done because I'm a bit lazy there to do it by myself, because when I have my friends and the people who I know there, so I believe they can do it really well. But I've come up with this thing, and then it has helped me a lot. And I've been doing this from since 3 years, and it's been the best for me, and very easy peasy. You know, if you're in a rush, you can just do your eyebrows, and if you see there are many unwanted hairs growing, then you can just do it and then you can rush. Okay, and you can try this on your upper lips as well if you have too much of issues. So yes, I hope this video was helpful to you, and you're gonna try this at home as well. And if you have liked this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. Okay, so yeah, see you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.